Hi everyone. In this video we're going to change the number in the log form into the number without the log without using calculator. For example, we have a log 64 base of 2. If you would like to change simplify this without using calculator, we can apply the rules of log. But before we do that, we actually need to convert the 64 into the index number base 2, which I have a 64 as the 2 power of 6. Then using the laws of log, move the 6 to the front, and I have a log 2 base of 2 equivalent to 1. So the answer is 6. So I can try this, I can evaluate this, or we say simplify this without using calculator, just to apply the rules of log. The same concept will apply on the log 27 base of 3. First, I will change the 27 into the 3 power of 3. Then apply the rules of log. Just move the 3 to the front. And you have a log 3 base of 3, which this is equivalent to 1. Alright, then you have a 3. For the log 121 to the base of 11, so we can see that 121, it can be converted into the 11 power of 2. So 2, again, move to the front, you have a log 11 to the base of 11, which is equivalent to 1, and this is equal to 2. Example D, I need to convert the 1 over 2 into 2 power of negative 1, and move the negative 1 to the front. Again, you got the log 2 base of 2. This is actually equivalent to 1, so you have and now your answer is a negative 1. Okay, this is a simple question. The index form already nicely been in a power of 3. So just move the 3 to the front, then you have a log a to the base of a, where the log a to the base of a equals to 1. So again, you have your answer as a 3. 125 can be converted into the 5 power of 3. So originally we have a power of 3, so we need to the 5 power of 3 need to power another 3, and now you can apply the rules of indices. Just combine the power by multiply each other, that is 9, and now apply the rules of log. Move the 9 to the front, you get 9 multiplied by log 5 to the base of 5, which this is equivalent to 1. So 9 multiplied by 1, answer is 9. Look at the example G. I got a 0.1. So this may be changed to the 1 over 10 because 0.1 equivalent to 1 over 10. Then now 1 over 10 can be converted into 10 power of negative 1. So negative 1 move to the front. You get negative 1 multiplied by log 10 to the base of 10, where the log 10 to the base of 10 equals to 1. So you got the answer negative 1. And for the example H, log 1 to the base of 5. We don't care no matter what is the base of the log. If you see that this content is 1, then it's always equal to 0, because you can actually interpret this by converting this back to the index number. 5 power of 0 equals to 1. So anything over here we don't mind, even it's 100 or 200, 200 power of 0 also equals to 1. So you can once you see that this value is 1, we don't care what is the base of the base. We just know that this is equals to 0. For the example I need to convert the 36 into its simplest index form, that is 6 power of 2. So power of negative 1. So now just simplify the power first by using your rules of indices. Just multiply the power. 2 multiplied by negative 1, you got negative 2. And now we apply the rules of log. Move the negative 2 to the front, and you have a log 6 to the base of 6, where this is equivalent to 1. So you got the final answer, negative 2. Another example, I got a log 81 to the base of 3. How do I simplify it? First, change the 81 into 3 power of 4. Then move the 4 to the front. You got the 4 multiplied by log 3 to the base of 3, which is equivalent to 1. Then this is equal to 4. For the k, you must convert the 9 into the 3 power of 2, then move the 2 to the front. Multiply 2 by the log 3 to the base of 3, that is equal to 1. So the answer is 2. And the question L, you get a 343. This is 7 power of 3, and it has the power original in the question. It has a power of -3, and don't forget the base of 7. Simplify the power first. By multiplying the 3 and the -3, you got a -9. Now we apply the rules of log. Move the -9 to the front. You got -9 multiplied by log 7 base of 7, which is equivalent to 1. Then we have the answer -9. So these are the last 3 examples in this video. I have a log E. Log E, the ln means that log base of E. So in this case, I have a log E to the base of E, which when this value is the same as the base, it is equivalent to 1. And this is also the same as a log E to the base of E, and this is power of 1.5. We can just bring the 1.5 to the front, and log E to the base of E, it is equals to 1. So the answer is 1.5 only. And this is also the same. You can move the 2 to the front, and we know that the log E equals to 1, so this is equals to 2.